Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to review the process of actually assigning a security group to our EC2 instance. Now, we already went over the details and nitty-gritty of how security groups work during the introduction to networking section of this course, so we're not going to go into that again now, but I do want to review how to actually either one, create a new security group and assign that to our EC2 instance, or to select an existing security group and assign that to our EC2 instance. So right here under assign a security group, we can select either create a new security group or assign an existing security group. If we want to create a new security group, we can just simply give it a name. I'll call this lesson security group, and we can give it a description as well. I'll just copy that down here so we know what it is. And then I can add or edit any of the allow rules that I like. Currently, it comes default with SSH, which I'm going to need. And I can also do something like add HTTP, which gives us access over port 80. And again, it comes default from all sources. Now I can go ahead and review and launch and assign this new security group to our EC2 instance, but I actually want to select an existing security group because during the VPC lab, we had created two security groups, one lab security group for EC2 and another lab security group for RDS. And by selecting on either one of these here, we can see what allow rules have been attached to this security group below. So we can use this to verify that it has the right allow rules for the instance that we're going to launch. For this particular example, I'm going to select this particular security group, which gives us HTTP and SSH allow rules coming from all sources. Now all I need to do is hit review and launch. On this next screen, step 7, it does give us the opportunity to review all of the configurations before actually doing the final launch of the instance. So we can view our AMI details. We can see here that we have selected the Amazon Linux AMI. We can view the instance type, which is the T2 Micro. We can see our security group, which is the one that we just assigned. We can also view instance details, meaning how many instances we're going to create, the VPC and the subnets that it's going to be launched into. We can also view the storage options that we have selected and also tags that have been given to this EC2 instance. So the last thing that we need to do to get this instance up and running is to select launch. But wait a minute. There's one more thing we have to do, and that is to select and create a key pair for login authentication. And we're going to do that in the next lesson. So for now, you can conclude this lesson. Thank you for watching. You may now move on.